Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my updated eyebrow routine. I've switched to the Makeup Revolution brow definer brush. This thing is $5, y'all. So first I start by brushing my eyebrows, and then on the other side you like twist the thing up. It's kind of like one of those twisty pins, and then you start just outlining your eyebrows and filling them in. After outlining and filling in, I take the little brush on the other end and I just kind of brush through it. If you don't, then your hair is going to be kind of stuck together and it's going to look a little crazy. So whenever I get to this middle part of my eyebrows, I start to kind of brush it up like with the brow pin side so that it looks like hair strokes. I don't like my eyebrows to look too blocky in the middle. That's why I do it like this. So I'm going to keep doing the hair stroke thing and then brush it up with the actual brush, just to kind of really make it look more natural. Like I want them to be like, yes, brows, but like not like, oh my god, like she definitely drew on her brows this morning. So now I'm just gonna take the brow definer and do the exact same thing on the other side, just filling them in, outlining, and then brushing through, and then in the middle doing the little hair strokes. This eyebrow definer thing, it is super good, and for only $5. It's Makeup Revolution and I got it at Ulta. So next I'm going to take my LA Pro Conceal concealer and carve out my brows. Recently I've started mixing my concealer with my actual foundation for the top so that it's easier to blend in. Once you've gotten that done, you're gonna do the other side the exact same way, of course, and make sure that your eyebrows are sisters. They don't have to be twins, but you do want them to look like they belong on the same face. So, you know, just do your double takes, make sure that your eyebrows are matching. So next what I'm going to do is take this blender and blend out that excess concealer. I'm going to blend it out on my eyelid and over my eyebrows where I used to carve out the top. The other side I did just use my finger on my eyelid, so you can really do either or, but above your eyebrows you might want to use the blender so that it blends better. After blending that out, you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and you will see my face in the next video.